This morning on Petsavers, if you are heading to the park, maybe you want to bring Fido with you. We continue to bring adoptable animals with you digitally. This week, it's this little guy from Second Chance Shelter in Jamesville. Meet Arvin. He's a 6-month-old Dutch Shepherd who was found as a stray in Syracuse. He's very smart, loyal, and active, and still young enough to train to be the bestest boy around. The shelter recommends he be adopted by a family with another dog. His size are larger, but he doesn't like cats, so no cats. Arvin is crate trained and is working on house training right now, but needs a family that has the time and work ethic to keep him honest. He has the potential to be a much larger boy when fully grown as well. Arvin loves playing with other dogs and running around the yard. Second Chance Shelter is open right now as usual, Saturdays and Sundays from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Wear a mask, stop in if you'd like to inquire. And remember, if you'd like more information about pets who need a home or pets who ran away from home, we have all that posted under the Petsavers tab at localsyr.com.